and sandblasted it just lightly, but I sandblasted the metal the most, the bare metal, to get off the oil and everything else. I did clean it before I sandblasted it, but it helps everything adhere to it. So pretty much I blasted all the welds, blasted the bare metal and into the paint and everything. Then I kind of just went over it lightly just to give it a rough texture on the painted parts so the paint would stick. So I used chassis paint and brushed it on the first time, and then I went back and sanded just the tongue to make it look a little better, and I sprayed it on the tongue here, make it look all nice and slick. But everything come out good. It's sticking out as far as you wanted it to. That way the bite rack, she's not sure which one she's going to get, so the bite rack shouldn't hit. But I was able to leave this ring on there, which is really good. If you can look under here, it's barely touching on that exhaust on one little corner, but there's really not much I can do about it. And it's good and clear on this side. But other than that, everything come out good. But that's all there is to it.